All right, hey y'all, it's Anne Marie with Anne Marie's Yoga, and today we're gonna do a little balls and our hands. So grab a ball and a table. You can also do this on the floor, and let's roll out our hand. So similar to our feet, we're gonna start by kind of rinsing or washing the hand out. Meaning, I want you to roll from your fingers all the way down to the palm and to the wrist. And do that a couple times, similar to how we do our feet. Take a couple deep breaths and you can push down as hard as you want. So I'm going from the finger to the hand, and don't forget the thumb. Go over to the thumb and to the palm, to the wrist. You can go slow, you can go fast, just starting to wake up the hand. And then we're gonna go to the fingers. You're gonna kind of spread the fingers wide and press the hand down on the ground or the table and the fingers up, and fan the fingers side to side. Right? So side to side, stretch each finger out there. And you can pause, pressing one or two fingers up at a time, going to the next one. Right? And then I'm just gonna fan it, rinse it, and then I'm gonna go down to the ball mound of the hand where the fingers meet the hand, and just side to side, or little circles. And from the ball mound to the rest of the palm. So sometimes I'll go circles here, back and forth, the middle of the palm, the heel of the palm, where the palm starts to meet the wrist, out into the thumb. Couple deep breaths along the way. And then I might go back to the whole hand, rinse it out, and then we're gonna karate chop it on the side of the hand, the pinky side up the wrist. Pinky side up the wrist. Feels so good. I'm gonna continue that movement up my forearm. So we're gonna start to touch that forearm. So pinky, wrist, forearm, pinky, wrist, forearm. And then I'm gonna pause, flip my palm up. Do the back of your hand. Roll out the back of your hand, fingers. You can add your other hand on top to push down to add a little of that external load. And then as we do the back of the hand, back of the wrist, do the back of the forearm. Roll up and down, hand, wrist, forearm. And then I'm gonna go back to that karate chop, the side of the arm, palm down, bottom of that forearm. And then I'm gonna go thumb down so you can roll out the inside of your forearm. So from the thumb to the wrist to the forearm. Anything else you want to revisit there on the forearm, and then taking it back to the hand, palm, ball mound, fingers, rinse it, shake it out. And that's your hand. And pause this, go back and do your other hand. Have a great day, you guys. Namaste.